In this tutorial, we will review how to utilize the iOS accessibility tools called Speak Selection and Speak Screen. These tools can be turned on in the accessibility settings on your iOS mobile devices. If you're unfamiliar with how to turn on these tools, please review the tutorial entitled iOS Text-to-Speech Setup. So once the Speak Selection and Speak Screen tools are turned on, they can be used within many common iOS apps. For example, students can access their documents from their Google Drive and have text read aloud using these tools. Let's see how this works in Google Docs. To activate Speak Screen, I will swipe 2 fingers from the top of the screen.
Describe 3 iOS accessibility features.
So you'll notice that there's a toolbar that appears at the center of the screen. From this toolbar, you can quickly change the speed by pressing the turtle to slow the speed or the rabbit to speed it up. You'll notice that the toolbar minimizes when it's not in use. To gain access to this toolbar, you simply tap on the arrow icon. You can use the navigation buttons to move forward or backward in the paragraph. You can click the X to exit the text-to-speech and to get rid of the toolbar. Now, to access the Speak Selection feature, I need to be sure that I'm in edit mode of Google Docs by pressing the pencil at the bottom right of the screen. I then press and hold on top of a word, touch select, and then drag the bar to select all the words that I want to have read aloud to me. Then I select Speak.
Describe 3 iOS accessibility.
You'll notice that the toolbar toggles between Speak and Pause to allow you to stop the text being read aloud. Another important place where the iOS Speak tools can be utilized is in iBooks to access text-to-speech in PDF documents. So I will open this PDF document that I recently opened in an email and saved to iBooks. Once in iBooks, I can swipe down with 2 fingers to have the whole screen read to me.
Text-to-speech 2. You can also use Speak Screen and Speak.
Or I can press and hold a word and then move the handlebar to select the text I want and then select Speak.
You can also use Speak Screen.
Now, these tools, the Speak Selection and the Speak Screen, can also be used in browsers such as Safari. Now, to simplify the layout, I will use a feature called Reader View that is available on the Safari browser on an iPad. This simplifies the web page and removes any extraneous information. So there are other features. So here's what I do. I look at these 3 or 4 little bars at the top to the left of the address bar. I select those. And then once I am in this Reader View, there are other features that can be helpful, like changing the font style and size, and by altering the background color. This is important as many students with dyslexia show improved reading with a different font or a different background. So once the page is launched, I can select text to have it read out loud.
Ladle.
Or I can use 2 fingers to swipe down from the top and read the whole page.
Map test preparation video available on FHSD Facebook.
Now, this is certainly not an exhaustive list of where the Speak Selection and Speak Screen tools can be used. There are really many other apps where they can be used, but this should give you a great place to start.